Children, take out the classical ages. This brown box you do after reading the chapter. Very easy to do. Okay, beta. Million years ago, again with the helpful evolution of a mankind, life also evolved. Life also started of a human being. So life of the human being was very simple. The only two main things which man has to do was to protect themselves from the wild animals and to gather the food. Both purposes, what man need, people need tools. Okay, and which was made from the stone. From where we come to know that they were using the tools which was made from the stone. There is older stone which was again discovered, and it is a proof that they were using the tools which were made from stones. Okay, stones again were also used for making fire, beta. Since those times human used stones for almost everything, okay, that they did, and because of this reason that period was called as a stone age. Now stone age is again divided into Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic and Chalcolithic age. First comes our Paleolithic age, beta. Paleolithic age again began between 5 lakh and 2 million years ago. It lasted beta 10,000 years ago, and the term Paleolithic comes from the Greek word. First is our palos, which means old, and lithos means stone. So life in the stone age was very difficult of a human being, beta. The early human had to work extremely hard for making sure for making sure that they had enough water, food and shelter. Okay, Paleolithic people, the main sources of food for the Paleolithic people was hunting wild animals and fishing, gathering wild foods like nuts, berries, fruits and vegetables. Means they were taking dry fruits also as well as the vegetables. As a result, what happened? They become nomadic. Means in search of food, water and shelter, they were moving from one place to another. Generally, what the men, they did hunting, and children went out and gathered the other food, like we discussed this. Okay, this food they were eating. The children were going to collect. Again, they were known as a hunter-gatherers because they were gathering the food by hunting. During this Paleolithic age, early human had two major discoveries. One was a discovery of man, other was a tool. Okay, so a discovery of fire, discovery of fire and discovery of tools. In discovery of fire, what happened? Man was just sitting one day. We believe that man was just sitting one day and he was just again rubbing the stones, and near the man there was a dry leaves. Okay, and the spark again come into the contact of dry leaves, and it burst into flames. Thus this way this fire was discovered. Now beta, this fire again make their life easy. How? Again with the discovery of a fire, they learned the uses of fire too. Human realized that animals, they were again afraid of a fire. They found out they could light up their caves. They also come to know that with the help of this fire, they could protect their family from the cold and wild animal. Okay, they also learned that the roasted food is more tastier and softer than the raw flesh. Okay, again it was a beginning of the cooked food also, and fire kept them warm, and they could move into a colder climate also and hunt the animal that lived there. Now comes our discovery of tools. In the start, beta, early humans started killing small animals for a food, but they could not kill large animal with the bare hands. Okay, now they were afraid that how to again hunt them. So they again So they used a sharp edged stone to kill animals. We all know that. With the time, they kept improving the tools. And what happened with again, they found out that if they tied a sharp stone to a long piece of wood, they could throw to a wild animal at a longer distance, and they did not to go near it to kill it. This was the invention of spear. This again they improved this also by making it with the bones. Means what it means, it here means spear. Okay, they again improved the spear by making the spear with the bones. They used tools which again not only for killing, but they were using these stones for cutting, digging, chopping. Okay, again, we got some of the Paleolithic sites in Europe and some parts of India, like Bhimbetka caves near Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and they are almost 30 years old. Okay, but they show the life of early human in the form of cave paintings. Beta, we know that early human, they were not able to write, so they were again drawing inside the caves. And those scenes shows their living. Okay, now comes our Mesolithic age, the Middle Stone Age. Why we call them Middle Stone Age? Because it is the age of between Old Stone Age and New Stone Age. Okay, again this Middle Stone Age, beta, early humans started making small and even tiny tools rather than the large tools which they were using earlier. Because of their small size, these tools were called microliths. Microliths means small and liths means stones. And they also started making wooden handles for better grip. Because we know that at that time they started using their knowledge. Okay, the tools of this period included beta what bone tools, borers, scrapers, and arrow beads. Bows and arrow they were using for the hunting. Okay, fast moving, for hunting for the fast moving animals. Now but in Rajasthan, Begor, in largest Mesolithic site is again discovered there, and other sites can be seen along the banks of river Sabarmati in Gujarat and some areas of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Odisha. Mesolithic age, beta, it ended with the introduction of farming when in Neolithic period began. Now this Neolithic age, this is called your New Stone Age. Again it is between the 10,000 and 5,000 BC. The new thousand or a New Stone Age or a Neolithic period began during this period when man made better tools. He learned to grow food crops, and he come to know how to domesticate animals. They began to settle in a one place. Earlier they were moving from one place to another in search of food, but now in this period he settled down on a one place. Okay, he started to make pottery to store the food and ate more cereals and breads. The most important discovery of Neolithic age was discovery of the wheel. Now comes our agriculture. Actually, man come to know that when they are eating something and the seed was thrown to the ground, and there they come to know that the plant had come out. From there, they started sowing the seeds. Okay, for making the plants. Then for farming they used stones to dig soil first. Okay, later they used wood and sharper stones to improve their tools. Early human observed that they needed water from farming, so what happened, they started living near the rivers and lake. And earlier they were using to live near in caves in far off places, but now they settle down in groups near the river banks. Okay, they started making better dwelling from the things available in their surrounding. Dwelling means living. Okay, like mud, straw, wood. They produced grains and crops which were more what they needed, so they stored it in pots and basket. Okay, they produced grains and crops which was in surplus they started, okay, and they started storing these surplus food in the baskets and pots. Now people have a variety of food to eat with them, so they ate barley, wheat, vegetables, fruits, and other animals. Again, they learned how to cook. So with the discovery of agriculture and farming, early human realized the importance of domesticating animal. But at first they domesticated dogs. Okay. Then afterward they domesticated cow, oxen, pigs, goats, and sheep. They use these animals for the different purposes. Okay. Now oxen was used again in plowing. Cows and ox were domesticated for milk, which was an important source of food, and for sheep was used for wool. Okay, now comes our pottery. Again, when a man started farming and domesticating animal, he started building a surplus food also, grains also. Okay, so to store these grains and food, again he at that time he needed some storing vessels, and therefore early humans started building utensils and pots with the help of mud, and this mud was baked in a fire to make it more harder, and in this way the pottery was invented. Now we in next video will study about the invention of wheel.